Welcome to a video tutorial from Valentia Photography Workshops and me, Stephen Power. This one is about Sunnylife lens cover and filter removal tool and how I use it. This tool is called the Sunnylife lens and filter removal wrench, sometimes called the Hensych removal wrench. And I bought it originally because I was looking for something to loosen a lens in a large format camera. It's actually designed for removing lens covers and filters from drones. This model is for the Phantom 4 series and the Osmo Action drones. I didn't really need it for my Phantom 4 Advanced as the lens cover wasn't stuck, but you can see here that the larger diameter, which goes up to 45 millimeters, fits very well over the lens cover and would allow you to remove it if it's stuck tight. It's a nicely constructed tool with the widest diameter of the wrench at 45 millimeters and the smallest at 30 millimeters, as well as smaller size lens covers and filters. It would also work very well for pickle jars and other smaller jars too. But the reason I got it is because I've started using lenses that are suitable for large format and medium format cameras, such as this Topcor Horseman lens on a metal lens board. The way that lenses are constructed are that they are screwed to the front and back of the board, and I found that although I could get the front element off by twisting it for cleaning quite easily, I had real trouble removing the rear element. It was very firmly stuck, and this is probably not so surprising given that it might not have been removed since the mid-1970s. So I found that with the smaller diameter wrench on this tool, it needed one firm turn and it came away quite easily, so that I could clean the rear element of the lens and then screw it back. So I just wanted to show you this tool. It seems quite versatile. I actually bought the wrong tool. I hadn't realized it was for drones, and I probably don't need it for drones, but it's perfect for my large format lenses. It cost me £10.99 on Amazon UK, and it's probably about the same in dollars. There's every chance I may never use it again, but it's a nice gadget to have on the studio table. Hope you enjoyed this short video, and please subscribe for more of the same.